Tired of juggling multiple wallets and platforms just to swap tokens? Today, I'll show you the easiest way to directly link Uniswap with your Trust wallet, streamlining your DeFi experience in under 90 seconds. First, open your Trust Wallet app. Make sure you have the latest version installed for optimal compatibility. If you don't have it, you can download it from your app store. Next, look for the browser icon. Depending on your version of Trust Wallet, it may also be labeled DApps. Tap on it. If you do not see browser icon, then tap on Settings greater than Preferences, then enable DApp browser. Now, in the search bar within the DApp browser, type in Uniswap. Select the official Uniswap website, which is app.uniswap.org. Double-check the URL to be sure you are on the legitimate site to protect yourself. Once Uniswap loads, you'll see a button in the top right corner that says Connect Wallet. Tap on it. A menu will pop up, displaying different wallet options. Choose WalletConnect. Trust Wallet will then ask for your permission to connect to Uniswap. This is a standard security measure. Review the details and tap Connect. And that's it. Uniswap is now directly linked to your Trust Wallet. You can now easily swap tokens using the balances available in your wallet without having to manually transfer funds. Enjoy seamless DeFi trading.